Presenting the USB Type-C interface with new features including a reversible and robust connector, power delivery of up to 100 watts, while simultaneously transferring up to 10 gigabits of data and video over the same line. And communicating devices can request different voltage levels for greater flexibility. NXP offers an end-to-end secure USB Type-C solution, allowing for the seamless connectivity of data, power, video, and security over a single USB Type-C connector. AC/DC chargers are also becoming USB PD capable, allowing universal chargers to support different power requirements. NXP AC/DC solutions support high-efficiency charger designs. PD-PHY is used to implement power delivery and multiple standards, and also a simple CC logic device for basic functionality, like a USB 2.0 data path supporting up to 15 watts of power. Systems that want to support higher than 15 watts of power or to transmit multiple standards would require a PD-PHY along with a microcontroller for PD system control. This offers true flexibility to designers. There is a growing need for authentication around USB Type-C interface for security and OEM value add. Authentication, or anti-counterfeit solutions, can help limit the use of unauthorized devices that have not passed quality requirements and testing. It also allows OEMs to control their ecosystem and protect consumers from malicious devices. NXP is a leader in security solutions and has best-in-class anti-counterfeit authentication solutions. To enable the reversible functionality and multiple standard signal transmission over a single cable, use NXP USB 3.1 crossbar switches and repeaters. Crossbar switches ensure signal routing, and NXP repeaters enhance signal integrity to maximize distance over the cable. Load switches are required for safety and protection in your system from overvoltage, overcurrent, and over-temperature scenarios. NXP load switches offer different protection levels suitable for many applications. There is always the need for ESD protection and filtering around high-speed interface connectors. NXP has developed targeted solutions supporting high bandwidths up to 10 gigabits per second. In addition, power can be transferred via the USB Type-C cable, eliminating the need for additional AC to DC adapters. As you can see, NXP has a comprehensive portfolio of devices to implement a full system solution for any USB Type-C application. To learn more, visit nxp.com/USB-Type-C.